Today we will see how to find the nonlinearity in the MATLAB. In the Excel sheet, we have stored the data and this data is in column A and B. Now for this data, I have to check the nonlinearity in the MATLAB. Now let's see in the MATLAB. This is the code for finding the nonlinearity for that data which is stored in the Excel sheet. First of all, we will read that data contained in the Excel sheet using the command xlsread. In this command, we will add their path and their column size. Like we have to read the data from the column A and cell size is A2 to A36. And similarly, there are two columns in that Excel sheet. For first column, I have stored that data in X, and for the second column, data is stored in Y, and data is read by the XLS read, and their path is written here. And from the B2 to the B36, our data will be stored in the Y variable. Now, what we will do is that we will store the maximum of the Y column, maximum value of the Y column in the highest variable, and minimum of the Y column to the lowest variable. Okay, and after that what we will do is that we will apply the polyfit command to the X and Y, and in the last I have written 1. It means that it is fit to the linear operation. Now what we have done in the 8th line is that we have stored the first rows and first column value to the m variable, and first row and second column of the variables to the constant 1. Now what we have done in the 10th line is that we have now generalized a equation that is extra, and extra is equal to m dot x plus constant 1. Here m is equal to variables 1 1 and the constant 1 is variable 1 2. Now for checking that system is nonlinear, we will apply the formula y minus extra into 100, y highest minus lowest, and after that we will take absolute value of the generate nonlinearity, and at the last we will find the maximum nonlinearity by applying the built-in function max to the absolute value. Now let's run this program. We will find the value of nonlinearity as here it is shown, and the maximum nonlinearity is the 0.0412. This data can be copied to the Excel sheet from here, workspace. We will copy this data and we will place this data in the Excel sheet. Suppose we want to plot this data, then we will try to implement in the graph. And this is the generated data. In this way we find the nonlinearity and plot their responses in the Excel sheet with the help of MATLAB. Thank you.